In front of me is REALME C75 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. You need to begin by locating Google folder and from it selecting Files app. Tap on it and then choose those three lines at the top left corner. Select Clean section. Tap on Clean next to Junk Files and last but not least, Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!